Hi Stampers! Welcome to my Facebook Live. I'm Nancy Novak and I hear the clock chiming that it's 7 o'clock, so it's time for my Facebook Live. Welcome. I don't know if any of you tuned into my Saturday impromptu Facebook Live. I had, I think, 3 of them, real quick ones, because I've been working on a calendar. I'm trying to hurry up and finish it before the year's over. So anyway, it's really cute. I saw it on Pinterest, and when I get the bug to do something, I just get consumed with it and have to work on it. So tonight I am going to show you what I've been working on, and I hope you like it. Let's get started. So this is a CD case, and I just flipped it around. So let's see, actually it would be like this, and I just flipped it around so I have a pedestal. And then I created every month, January through December, and I don't know, just whatever came to my mind. I went through all my old stamps, all of my old thinlits and framelits, and I'm going to show them to you. So anyways, let me show you how it works. So you just slide it in like this. So you always want to have whatever, base you want. I have all the dimensions too. I will write them down and put them on my blog. So I have the base of, I think this is sky blue, and the calendars I ordered on Amazon.com, and the calendars are, let me see here, the calendars are 5 inches by 3.5 inches. So I matted every calendar on a piece of black, hi Diana, a piece of black cardstock, and then I put my base behind it, and then I decorated it however I wanted to for the month. So there you go, it sits like that. So anyway, let me show you a couple as we continue on. Hi chat.
Hello.
How you doing?
I've been in hiatus for the longest time, but I'm back by your demand.
I know. I'm very, very, very happy you are here.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Yeah, that's good. You haven't said that to everyone.
No.
Say it again.
Happy New Year.
Meow. Meow. So anyways, this is Chat, one of my cats.
The best one.
The best one. Okay. And
the only one that can speak human somewhat.
My biggest helper, let me say that much too.
Yes. Continue.
Okay. Will you help me?
Yes.
Thanks. You have really good paws. You can switch the camera. So February. So here's February. So I put the little hearts up on dimensions, popped them up, and if you want me to kind of tell you what stamp sets as I go, I will tell you. Okay, so this was Love Notes and Sealed with Love. That's what I used. So I went through my old stash, and then here comes March. So for March, I found a heart thinlet, and I think this one might be the Pretty Park framelits. I used an old scallop punch and the pretty designer paper. Actually, that's current. That's a 6x6 designer paper.
Cats like scallops.
Because it's fishy?
Yes.
Okay, wait till you see this one. Okay, so for April, there's April. Isn't this cute? This was my husband's idea, to put the bunny behind the grass. So he's just kind of peeking out.
I heard one of those eggs didn't make the bunch.
Yeah, there was a reject here somewhere. I had a bunch of them. Did you eat it? Anyway, I think he's eating my scrap paper. Do your cats do that? Switch back to 1. Do your cats do that? Like the ribbon? They like to play with the ribbon? He's terrible with the ribbon. I mean, yes. Stop it. Okay. So, anyways, I got the little eggs. Okay, this is Basket Bunch and Basket Builder framelits. There you go. And let's go on. I like this one. So this is May, and for this one, I used cups and kettles, I think. I'm not sure, but don't you just love that little steam? See that steam heart?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Little steam heart. Isn't that cute?
Very cute.
All right. And then we've got June. So this is the current paper. This is from Farmhouse or whatever, Farmhouse paper. And I stamped this, not sure what that is. And then this right here is the basket. I textured that piece of crumb cake with the basket weave texture folder. Kind of put the little doily there. I thought that was cute.
Did you make these? Because you don't seem like you know what the papers are.
No, I used non-current stuff, so it's hard to remember every single paper and every single stamp. And
Got it.
okay, I think I'm doing pretty good. Okay, July.
Didn't it feel like July outside today?
Oh, it was so cold here in Michigan. But you know what? I'm not complaining because it's been good so far, right? I mean, not very cold. Okay, so July, best month of the year because that's my birthday month. Anyway, let me show you how to make them. I'll show you how to make this one. Really simple. So, you putting me on camera? Anyway, I got to stand up, so you got to, okay, there you go. Okay, so I have my base. My base is, hang on a second. All the bases are 5.5 by 4 3/4. I have a black mat that is 5 1/4 by 3 3/4. And I have my calendar. So I'm gonna let me find my I'm looking for, there it is, my snail. So the first thing I'm going to do is snail the back of my calendar and attach it to that black mat. Like that. And then we're going to attach this to our base. So actually, you know, these calendars are a lot of fun because you get to use your old stamps and you get your mind flowing, get your creative juices flowing.
And after a while, you'll be sad that there's only 12 months.
You'd wish there were more?
Yes.
You could go on, you could do them in the future. You can buy these calendars for 2020, so that'd probably be the smart thing to do because
Hindsight's 2020.
hindsight is 2020. Okay, so there we have that. This is the one I'm recreating for you guys. Also, when you order these, I'll have to post the website. You get 5 sets for $11. Isn't that a great deal? So again, this is some old DSP. Looks like it's from a Valentine's Day pack. So I'm going to put this on here. I will tell you what the sizes are on my blog tomorrow. And let's see, what else did I do? A star. This is from My Star Framelits, and I have the older ones. I don't have the new ones. You gonna say something?
Not really.
Okay. And some of this stuff, if you'd like to pop it up on dimensions, you can. I think this paper is from the Twilight paper or something. I have scissors around here somewhere. Let me look. Hang on. I'm going to fussy cut this out. So July is Thoughtful Banners and My Star Framelits. So I got a fussy cut. You know what fussy cutting is, Chase? Or Chase. Chat.
Fussy cutting is when you take your time and cut around the perimeter.
Awesome. Boy, is he good or what? Hey, who's out there today? Say hi to me if you're here.
Hi.
Thanks, chat. I don't think we have too many viewers yet. We have to hope they'll catch us on the rerun, right? Okay, so the fussy cutting. While I'm doing this, I want to remind you that it is celebration time. And what that means is, it's hard to say all the time, celebration. I want to say celebration. But celebration is from now until March 31st. And anytime you purchase products that value $50, you get to choose something from the celebration catalog. And so that's kind of cool. We have a new occasions catalog. And what I think is the greatest thing about Celebration is if you have a big wish list and you want to...
And who doesn't?
That's for sure. And you have a lot of products you want to buy, now is the time to do it. Because let's flip back. Because, let me get my notes here. Right now during Celebration, for $99, you get to choose $175 worth of Stampin' Up! Products. So that's pretty darn cool. I think this is one of the most, I don't know, the biggest promo or the best time to join Stampin' Up! So
Believe her.
Believe me. So if you're interested, I have more details to give you, but $99, you get $175 worth of product that you choose from any catalog that's current, plus free shipping. That's another 10% savings. So that's about it. I mean, there's no penalties. If you choose to leave Stampin' Up. So contact me. I will give you all the details. What else?
A drone will deliver it to your porch.
That would be great. That would be a great idea for Stampin' Up! To have a drone deliver their stuff.
Yes.
I like that. He's got great ideas. Uh-oh. Did you see that? It went black for a second. The screen went black.
Did you pay the bill?
Yeah, I paid the bill. Let's see, what else do I want to tell you? Okay, Celebration time. Spend $50. Go to my website. If there's things you want to buy, you can go to my online store, or you can contact me. People email me, give me their list, and I order it for them. But I want you to feel comfortable with me. And so if you want to talk for a while and chat for a while and you have questions, Chat likes to chat.
Every so often.
Contact me, because you'll have friendly personal service with me. I had a customer the other day who ordered something on December 30th. She placed a big order. And I said, what are you doing? Celebration is starting. So I contacted her and I said, cancel your order and then call back or order it again when Celebration started. So she got 2 free items because of that, So I definitely watch out for my customers. I appreciate you. So let's get back to
She's like your mother.
I'm your mother. Oh, okay, here we go. So anyways, that's how you make the cards. Real simple. We're going to go on really fast. Oh, I think this one's might be my favorite. August. So for this one, I used, it's called A Good Day. That's that stamp set right there, A Good Day. It's teeny tiny stamps, really cute. This was an old punch I had. It had three flowers, so I punched it out in whatever yellow this is, and I put it on that scallop punch again. So that's that one. So now we're up to September. So for September, I used Painted Harvest, and I stamped that. I stamped that in Daffodil Delight and another yellow to give it 2 different textures, and use the leaf punch. So there you go. Well, Diana, I appreciate you. North Carolina. I just found an old friend that lives in North Carolina. Let's see. She lives in Stanley, North Carolina. And I knew her when she was here in Michigan, lost contact with her. And it was funny, one day I was Googling something and her name popped up, and now we're in contact again. So, okay, Oh! What's going on, chat?
I had a fur ball.
Okay. I don't think he had to tell us that. That's like saying he had to.
TMI.
Yeah, TMI. Here is my October.
My favorite month.
Why because of the cat?
No. Candy.
Oh, you can't have candy. Okay. This is, what is this? The cat punch. Basically, that's it. I don't know the designer series paper. I went digging through my stash, and that's what I came up with. Okay, let's continue. We're almost done. We're almost done, chat. You're so sweet. You're so cute. Okay, let's go to November. November. Fall Fest is the stamp set, and Fun Fall Framelits was the framelits. Gather Together is current. That, I don't know, that's Painted Harvest. Painted Harvest, that's what that's from. And this is Mossy Meadow. And finally, and this was one of my favorite Christmas cards, this little tree. This was one of my favorite Christmas cards that I sent out this year. I mass produced a bunch of them. And this is from Sweetly Stitched. I just love this little tree, and I'm so upset that they didn't bring it back. The Joy. I stamped Joy from Cheers to the Year, which is an old set. And then after I stamped it, I cut out each square and then popped it up on dimensionals. And then behind it, I have that little thin red twine behind it.
String.
I don't know what, it's like metallic. So let's go back to January, because this is what it's like right now in Michigan. Okay. So anyway, that's it for tonight. I told you it was going to be a unique
You've gone from cold to nice to hot back to cold with her tonight.
So anyway, I hope you enjoyed visiting with me tonight. I certainly appreciate you being with me and chat. And leave your comments. And until next week, don't be shy. Stamp and shout.